Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the channel. This is Sohail. I am with you today with a brand new video. Today I'm going to be installing crash bars on my NC750X. So stick around and we'll do it together. Okay, what I have done is I've bought these crash bars over eBay. They were originally priced for £150 and then they were dropped down to 119, and I offered him 100 and the chap accepted, so here we are. Now they look quite sturdy actually. I have strategically chosen these particular ones because they anchor onto the kind of the bike itself. So that was the main reason to choose those. And if you look at them, there are also some kind of footrests. I don't know how they will be, you know, ergonomically, but I'll put them on and see what they feel like. Okay, so let's get on with it then. So each side of the bike, it's got two anchor points. One of them is going to be this one, and one of them is going to be that one. And then underneath the beak, I think it's this one which is going to get used. So, and that I think is probably the most strongest kind of anchors I could use, and that's like I said, one of the reason I have selected this particular crash bars. So similar to the other side, so I've got one here bolt, and there is one down here, and so when it comes around this side here, they join up here, and there's a little bar which then fixes it with the bolt up the top there, this one. Okay, let me set up the bars and see what they look like. The fitting did come with so this I think this is a mobile thing, and it swings around the front here, so you can tighten these I guess once you've put them in situ. And so there is this little thick washer thing. I'm not sure exactly where it's going to go, whether it's going to go this side or that side. There might be some sort of differences on the left and right side of the fitting, so I'll put them on and see what they look like. Okay, and I've got these two stickers. Yeah, okay, first things first, I've got to take off this cowl at the bottom, and so one of these. Okay, I've decided to do one on the right hand side first, no particular reason, but okay, so that I think sits here. Oh wow, looks like these were made for each other. Aha. Okay, I've loosened these bolts already. This little thing is actually in the way, so right, let's whoopsie, let's get this thing in here. And let's tighten this first. Okay, I put that big long bolt in there, and I'm going to tighten this up now. Well, I've hit a little snag because that is not lining up actually, which is not good. So this thing, which is part of this bar, is not really lining up to the bolt. It just needs a few millimeter on the left. I guess kind of northwest, a little bit more. That's not good. Okay, well, let me think about it. What can I do? Well, this one went in nicely, and I don't know how the front is going to line up. So at the moment, that's where it sits. In any case, it doesn't hit the forks, which is good. Okay, well, maybe it's best that I put the other side, attach it, and see what that looks like. Okay, so this one I've put on, and that has nicely gone in. Okay, there's one there, one there. What I've done now is on this side I've loosened this bolt, so that gives a little bit of a flexibility, basically, you know. So then I'm going to try and see if I can put this in just like that and then tighten it, so that reaches in nicely. While it's tightening, and it might be a little bit of a stretch, but it's meeting up nicely, and at a kind of correct angle. All good in the front. Okay, I've fully tightened it. It doesn't move at all now, and it's still coming up to be a nice symmetrical sort of meeting up on the front under the beak. Nothing is touching nothing, which is a good sign. Okay, so everything seems to be okay, and I'm just going to tighten this bolt right there. Right, so that jobby is tightened. This is tightened. So now what I've got remaining is this. Okay, that's how it looks. That there, this needs to get in, or that needs to get over there, basically. I think there's enough flexibility in there. So I'm going to tighten this side first, and then I'll tackle the other one. It's a Allen key jobby. Okay, so I've tightened it. I'm not really happy with it, to be honest with you, because I'm not able to tighten it fully, I guess. It's holding without any issues, but this Allen key is slipping, and that I don't really like that. So I'm going to try and see if I can find a different bolt and put it in there instead of that Allen key bolt. So about half an hour later, instead of this bolt, see if I can get it to focus, I've managed to get these two bolts. They've got different head, slightly, well, not different head, but slightly better, I think, and I've cut it slightly shorter, so that it fits in slightly better. So give these a go and see where we are. Okay, both bolts are now in. Okay, and they're nice and snug. They don't touch anything. That side. This side is actually quite further away. I was a little bit worried about the other one, but that is a much better fit now, I think. As you can see, so it doesn't touch anything. Okay, so that with that, I guess it's fully installed. I do have this little gap in there, if you can see, but this is solid, you know. I'm trying to shake it now. Right, it's not coming off. The whole bike is moving, but yeah. So that's how they are. Yeah, so these I guess work as little highway foot pegs, which is kind of nice. Yeah, I guess if the bike was to fall, and the first thing that's going to hit the ground is this you know, which gives quite a lot of protection, I guess. Well, there we are. So I think these came out to be not too bad, so I'm well pleased with these, and hope you've got a decent idea about how to install them. It wasn't really a difficult job, to be honest. With obviously these bars now installed, it gives me somewhere to attach some lights, fog lights. So sometime in the next few weeks, probably I'll be doing a video about the lights I have. So stay tuned, and you'll get to see the video then. Thank you very much for watching this. Cheers. Bye bye.